الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر.
If it's radiation, I need to know how long ago you were exposed.
الله أكبر.
You stupid son of a bitch.
الله أكبر.
He has what?
It could be radiation poisoning.
Is anyone else in danger?
We don't know exactly what it is we're dealing with here. We need to contact the morgue. Tell them have hazmat take a really good look at the guy who jumped from the roof.
Oh, he's contaminated too?
They were together.
EMS is on the way for the guy upstairs.
What did you tell them?
That we have a sick prisoner.
You didn't mention radiation.
I'm not even sure if that's what it is. And I do not want to cause an unnecessary panic. Hazmat is on the way.
Hazmat is going to overrun my precinct, and that's not going to cause a panic?
You're a sick prisoner?
Yeah, an interrogation.
What's wrong with him?
We're not certain.
Radiation?
1 rem. It's going back up. 2, 3.
But it's 3 and it's getting stronger.
I got 5. What the hell's going on here?
Is it still on him? Lift your shirt. Lift your shirt, you sick son of a bitch. Lift your shirt. Get up. Lift your shirt. I'm not gonna say it again. I'm not playing with you.
No, don't hand it to me. Throw it on the floor. Throw it on the floor.
What is it?
I have no idea, but whatever it is making these things go crazy. 50 rems.
We have to evacuate this building immediately. Move, move, move.
Nice shirt.
We gotta evacuate. Get everybody out of here right now.
All right, listen up. We're going to evacuate the station house. I want all civilians outside now. Put these suspects into the prisoner vans. We'll set up...
Tragic accident.
He would be honored that you took the time to stop by.
He was a good cop, Cathal, and a great man. And we're all going to miss him. You should be very proud of your father, son.
I am.
Good.
Who is he?
Deputy Chief McInerney. He and your father were close.
Oh, yeah?
He was your father's direct superior.
Doesn't make him close. Davis. You didn't have to come.
It was in the paper. My mom knows her partners. If I didn't show up, she started asking questions, so...
What, so she doesn't know?
Well, she made this.
Oh, here. I keep getting this feeling everybody knows.
Of course they know. Brendan the man was working on his car in a suit. Professional police officers. It doesn't matter that they know. This is what they do. They all showed up at my house, too. I was 7 years old, but I could still see them whispering to each other, looking at us. They all knew my dad had another family. They knew he was taking money. Sure, some of them knew the guys that killed him were right there in the room. Nobody says anything. If the story's at all plausible, makes them look good, they all go with it. It's what they do. I gotta go. I gotta work.
Hey, boss.
You meet my driver today?
You with the task force guy?
Nah, that's over.
So, you okay, right? I mean, the radiation was all cool?
Yeah, the blood test looked all right, but they gotta monitor us for a little while.
Did you guys figure out what was going on?
No.
So you're just gonna let it go?
Hey, how about you just not ask me any more questions?
Sorry.